Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a recovery USB and the error details in hand. Plug in the recovery drive and restart while holding the boot key. Choose USB boot. Once the media loads, select Repair your computer, not Install. You do this because Repair exposes tools that target the bootloader and system files without reinstalling Windows. Make sure to note the exact stop code or message. Knowing the symptom narrows which tool to use next. Once you're in Advanced Options, start with Startup Repair. It can fix common boot issues automatically. If that fails, open Command Prompt, run bootrex/fixember and /fixboot to restore the bootloader, then /scanos and /rebuild to detect and recreate Windows entries. After boot records, run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files and chkdskc. /f to fix disk errors. These steps target why Windows fails to start, not just how to boot it, and they often resolve lingering corruption. After repair commands complete, remove the USB and reboot to confirm success. Try 2 or 3 restarts to ensure stability. If Windows still fails, use System Restore to revert to a known good point, or reset this PC and pick Keep My Files to restore functionality without full reinstall. If problems persist, note repeat error codes and run hardware diagnostics on RAM and SSD. Faulty hardware can mimic software failures, so checking components prevents wasted software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.